Welcome back. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button and bell for notifications. It's November the 20th, 2019. It's Red Wiggler Wednesday. It's been 1 year and 16 weeks since we got started with the Red Wigglers in the Worm Factory 360. That's just that empty tray. We've got our tray that's been on top for a couple weeks. It was in the middle, pretty much all castings. And it is drying out because I haven't added any moisture to it. But we still got worms. They just refuse to go down. Just like they refuse to migrate up. Let's see what we got going on in this middle tray. See, the castings have fallen down. We did not feed last week, so I'm not expecting a whole lot. Gonna go ahead and feed this week. Got some pumpkin. So I'm not gonna bore you to death. I'm gonna go ahead and add this piece of pumpkin in there. It is still frozen. I got a little bit of ground up crushed orchard shell. And I'm just gonna cover that up. We'll move on to the holding bin where we had our pumpkin stems and bases in. See what it's looking like. Looks like worms. Red wigglers to be exact. Alright, so they have demolished all the pumpkin off the base of that piece. Please focus. See all them worms? And I'm expecting the same on this one. Pretty much all gone. They're hanging out. I know Wayne had commented that it would take a while for them to eat up the stem because it's fibrous. But look at that one there. They are working on it. Indeed. And I got some big news for the Red Wigglers. I'll go ahead and tell you as I'm telling them because they don't know yet either. We got a new continuous flow-through system coming. So that's where the majority of these are going to end up. Let me know in the comments what system you think it is. Because this thing is overcrowded for sure. But we're going to go ahead and... yeah, that's too hard to break up yet. I'll go ahead and bury them a little bit. Let them keep working on that. I'm sure there's still some coffee in there. And whatever else that we've been putting in there from the baiting. Speaking of baiting, let's see how it's going. We had pumpkin last week. Actually 2 weeks ago, and we just pulled the worms off the top last week. Ooh, I see some gnats. That's not good. Ooh, look there. Them two are locked up. Please focus. Oh. Can you see it? Dang it, they come apart. We interrupted something right there. They were locked up on the pumpkin. There's a good amount of worms on there. I'll go ahead and just toss this in here. See what kind of worm activity we got going on around it. Yeah, we got a few kind of spread out. Nothing too exciting. So the horizontal migration is going pretty well. We'll go ahead and add another piece of pumpkin. Grab that worm. Alright, we got a piece of pumpkin. Just going to cover that up with that existing bedding. I'm going to bury that piece with, oh, there's a good little group of worms. So they definitely found the pumpkin. Let's see what kind of action we got in our castings. There's a couple little ones. Looking good. Just a few here and there. Nothing like it's been. Go ahead and pick these few out. Save them the trouble of migrating over. So yeah, there's a few. See if they can find the new pumpkin. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed Red Wiggler Wednesday enough to give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what system you think I'm getting. Until next time, have a great day.